Morning! Buko juice. Aton nga lunch for today, yung prepared ni Buki is ang aton nga tinola. Yan, tas ang mais, biroka para sa instead ng soft drinks, kag egg. Let's have lunch. Din yung kanay today, we're going to my client's house para magtudlo tas ang MMA. Today, since it's Tuesday, tuduan ko sila sa buong striking because every Thursdays naman, jiu-jitsu naman. Aragay, hit ba? So, bago lang tatapos training, we're gonna have dinner tonight with the clients. So, doon na yung mga kliyente, manyapon ta. Ginhambalan ko sila nga manyapon lang sa may fish lang. Kay para aton nga kidney bla, hindi mabalda. For tonight's outfit, muna niya natin yung barma. Naka-Vans lang ta. Shirt from Uniqlo. A cap from Vans. And that's it. Dilargo from Uniqlo. Uniqlo. Wala lang. This is not sponsored, ha? Sa balay nila ni Tarukan eh. Upod na lang kami kadto sa restaurant. Sa balay! Hello!
Yasmina! Rosie!
You should get food poison.
Not be too forward.
Oh my god! I don't know how men think.
The bushes.
How's married life?
Wanna sit on the floor or on the table?
On the table.
Hello!
Who do you want to sit next to?
This one. Yeah.
To order.
I saw what a Toyota.
حلوة فارسي في بيافي
ايه تسوي؟ الحين بتسوي يعني؟ مشروع؟
مشروع شكرا في طلب واحد مجبور شيري
ايه
وواحد شيري مغلي
وزن الفن
Wow!
that. 45 minutes.
This one.
Takes time.
Ah, yes, yes.
Yeah.
We're having? Yeah. Wow.
We're done eating.
Thank you.
Thank you.
He's been asking, where did they pay? There's no QR code here. Thank you so much. He's been asking, where did Taruk pay? There's no QR code. Thank you so much, T.
Thank you, T. I'll see you at 5:30.
Thank you. Yay!
That concludes our day. Thank you so much for being with us. Today ko na i-close ang ato niya vlog. Good night, guys. Thank you for spending your time with us. Good night.